Welcome aboard. Let's get building with BuilderBUILDER Pro. In this quick guide, we'll create, send, and pay an invoice for a project. To create an invoice, tap the project name, here, Leads Sanctuary. From the project menu, select Invoices. You'll see all project invoices grouped in tabs. To create a new invoice, tap Generate. The Create Invoice screen lists phases and line items. Select the line items you want by checking the box next to each, then tap Invoice. Specify the invoice amount. Either enter a dollar amount or choose a percentage. For this demo, we'll select 10%, which updates the invoice total accordingly. Then tap Done. Choose who should receive the invoice, an email address, or a project member. Optionally add notes for the recipient. For demo purposes, I'll assign the invoice to myself and tap Send Invoice. The invoice is now generated. This dialog shows all details: invoice number, amount, due date, and status. You'll find the invoice under the Unpaid tab, with full details visible. The recipient receives both an in-app notification and an email alert. Let's check the notification. Tapping Pay Invoice takes you to BuilderBUILDER Pro payment page. Choose a payment method. For demo, we'll use Venmo or card, then tap Complete Payment. Payment completes, and you'll see a confirmation. The invoice status is now paid. Back in the app, the invoice now shows the payment method, and the status is updated to Paid. You can also find it under the Paid tab. To save a copy, tap Details, then Get PDF. The invoice PDF opens and you can save it to your device. If needed, you can manually update invoice status by tapping Paid. The record will reflect the change immediately.